So the BlackBee has a 60-inch wingspan and a 42-inch fuselage, running walk snail, removable VTX attached by Velcro. 2807 motors with Street League 7043 props. Inside I have the SuperBee F405 wing. I since retired the original flight test SuperBee, the yellow one, that yellow flight test SuperBee that I had. I retired the flight test SuperBee, and this is the BlackBee.
Whispers of the wind, they carry me. Oh yeah, soft as the tide rolling endlessly. Jammy heartbeat, it's the earth I feel. Shaker shakes like the stars turn real. Close my eyes, I see the glow where the sky and soul both flow. Take me higher.